Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. So in this class, we'll just discuss the series object attribute, and also we'll do some of the program related to that one, right? So first of all, let see what are the topic we already covered. So let just revise that one, and then we'll jump to that new topic, right? Very good. So you already know what are the syllabus and all these things. Okay. So the pandas is is of two types. One is the series, and next one is the data frame, right? So here only. So series means what? Like the Pandas series can be defined as a one-dimensional array, right? And that is capable of storing the various data types, right? So then we also create a series, and which is also an empty series, and then we create a series using some of the input, like for example take off the like a array and dictionary and then scalar value. Okay, so we already do program also. Clear? Good. And listen carefully, those who did not see my numpy playlist, please go for it. Please go for it. Because if you will just start from the pandas, then you will face the problem, right? If you will just start from the pandas, then you will just face the problem. Because you have to, first point is what? First point is you have to just complete that numpy. Then you will just go for the pandas. Because with help of the numpy only, see, with the help of the numpy only, we are just reading the NDRA. Clear? Very good. So next. So today only we'll just go for that series attribute. So series. So let me just give the headline. Series object attribute. Series object attributes. Okay. Series object attributes. So first point. Listen. So attribute and description part we'll just discuss, right? Attribute and description part we'll discuss. So first attribute is the series dot index. Series dot index. What is the series dot index? Series dot index is, wait, it will define the index of this series. It will define the index of this series. So specifically we can use for this attribute. Next attribute is what? Series dot set. Series dot set means what? It will, I think in the name of the set only, you already know what is this thing. So it returns a tuple of safe of the data. Then next is what? Next is that series dot dtype. Series dot dtype. What is series dot dtype? It returns the data type. It returns the data type of the data. It returns the data type of the data. Then next point is what? Next point is series dot size. Series dot size. So it is written what? Series dot size. So it returns the size of data. Returns the size of data. And now next point is what? Series dot empty. So this one return what? So it returns true if series object is empty. Otherwise, it returns what? It will returns the false. Clear? Then next point. Next point is what? Series dot are none. So here it returns true if there are any null values. Any null values. Otherwise it returns false. Right? So next is what? Series dot in byte. Series dot in byte. So what is series dot in byte? Series dot in byte, it returns the number of bytes in the data. Number of bytes in the data. Then next one is what? Series dot ending. Series dot ending. So what is this one? It returns the number. It returns the number of dimensions in the data. Then next one. This one is the last one. Series dot item size. Okay. Series dot item size. What was this one? So it will return the size. It will return the size of the data types. Data type of item. It return the size of the data type of item. Right? So these all are the attributes. These all are what? Attribute. This one spelling mistake. Okay, these all are the attribute only. So let's start. What? So now the first point is what? Let will what? Accessing the data from series with position. So how can we access the data? Yes, how can we access the data? So here only I think you already know. So we have to just first of all let me execute that part again. So this tool library I just executed. Now let's start from here only. So first of all let s which is equal to what pd dot series, then inside it 1 comma 2 comma 3, and then index which is equal to what in the square bracket only. So let me just give the index number. Let a comma b comma c. Okay, comma c. So now so let me just execute this part. Okay. So what is the error? See, this one is the error. Okay. So now executed successfully. So let me just retrieve the first element. How to retrieve the first element? So that S of what? S of A. So let me check out. Yes. Okay. A is not defined. So if I will just by default, if I will just give the 0, now see. Yes, 1. If I will just give that S, then A, see, the output. So it means what? So if I will just let me retrieve the next part. What? So retrieve the second element. Okay. So this one is what? Retrieving the first element. Retrieving the first element. This one is what? Retrieving the second element. Let me just retrieve the second element. And your work is what? Your work is to retrieve the third element. Listen, by default, we are just giving means index value is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Starting from the 0, it will be written. But here we are manually just change that index number. Okay, so if you don't know how to manually change the index number, right now I will just show you. See, here if I will just give the 1, then the 2 will be print out. Okay? But if I will just again because the index number I just gave the A and then B and then C, if I'll just write the B here, C, same answer will become. Clear? So it's your work how to just retrieve the third. Okay. So now only. So let me just change the things. For example, let me just write the data which is equal to what? Which is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay. Data is the 10, 20, 30, 50. Now let S1 which is equal to S1 which is equal to PD dot series. PD dot series. Okay. Series of data. Now what is the output? Now what is the output? The output of S1 is what? This one. The output of S1 is what? This one. So now my aim is what? To check out whether this one is a pandas or not. So how to check out? Because you already know the type of what? Type of S1. Now see the output pandas.code series dots. Clear? Next, how to check out the S values? So S values is what? This. X value is what? This. And now next point. How to check out the index number? Means index number starting from where to ending from where. Okay, how to check out that things? Listen carefully. Whatever things I'm just doing, just do with me only. Just do with me only. Okay. So index number S1 dot index. S1 dot index. Now check out this one. So the range of index is what? It start from 0 and stop from 5. And the step is what? 1. What is the step? Step means what? The gap in between this. Clear? And then next point is what? Yes. Next point is what? So list of what? H1 dot index. H1 dot index. Now see the output. So here the index number is what? By default. I did not give the index number, but it's showing what? 0, 1, 2, 3. See here 0, 1, 2, 3. I just give the data, but automatically it print the index number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? Very good. So here only next point. Next point is what? My aim is to change the index number. So here index number is what? 0. Starting from 0. But I want to give the index number is 101. Can I just give? Yes, you can just give. How? So h1 dot index, h1 dot index, which is equal to what? Which is equal to let 101, 102, 103, then 104, right? 104, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 105, then 105. So I'm just giving this one. Let me execute this part. Again, let me just print the H1. Now the index number is what? This. The index number is what? This. So how to access the data? So let me just access the 102. So how to access? See the output. So is 102 is a 20? Yes. Clear everyone? Very good. Each one, let 105. 105. Now see the output. So 50, 105 is equal to 50? Yes. 105 is equal to 50. Clear? So let me, so this one is an integer. So you can just ask me, sir, can I just change the index number from integer to character? Yes, you can just give the character also. So how is it possible, sir? See the output. See the. So let me copy this code and paste here because it will save my time. So here only A, then B, okay. So then B, then C, then D, then E. Okay. So if I will just execute this part and then see the output, see the things. So here the index number is changed, right? Here the index number is changed. But in some case, the means like the data is means like a very big, means like 100 of data is there. So how to give the how to change the index number in manually means while giving the range. How to give the range? See. So s1 dot s1 dot index of what? Index is equal to range of 100 1 to 106 because 5 elements are there 100. So now if I will just print this one, see the out. If I will just print one range 101 102, okay. Now see the thing. See the thing. Okay, now this one changed. Okay, this one changed. So this one is the things. So now you already know how to change the index number. Clear? Clear everyone? Very good. So next go for that what? Go for that. Retrieving index array and data array of a series object. Now see the thing. So here we can just retrieve the index array and the data array of an existing series object by using the attribute index. What is the attribute index? So all these things. Okay. So let us use that all these things. So how to use that one? Yes. How to use on that? So let me give that. So let m which is equal to pd dot series then data which is equal to what? Data which is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Now, next point is what? Yes, next point is what? Let n which is equal to pd dot series, then data which is equal to what? So let me just write one number, for example, so 12.5, then 15, 15.6, then 25.7. Now, let me just give the index number. Yes. So here, index is equal to what? Index is equal to let A, B, C. Clear? A, B, C. So if I will just execute this part, see the output. Okay. So here only. So let me just write the comma part. Let me execute again. Okay. So successfully executed. And now see the output. So let me print the what? So print the m dot index. What is the m dot index? Yes, m dot index starting from 0, 4 and 1. So n dot index is what? Yes, n dot index is what? ABC, because we already declared that one, right? We already declared that one. So now here m dot values is what? M dot values is what? So this one is the m dot values. So what is the n dot values then? The n dot values is like this one. Clear? N dot values. N dot values. See the output. Yes. See the output. Okay. This one is the output. So I think hope you cleared. Okay. So next point is what? Next point is what? Next point is right. Retrieving type, which is the D type, D type, and size of type, size of type, item size. Okay, item size. Now see the thing. Okay. So here only, so we already imported that one. Okay, the libraries, two libraries, and let me just print that one. Let me just call this one. So copy this one and paste here. Remove this part, or you can just say, okay, just add it. No problem. You can just add it. For example, I want to retrieve means what? So let aim dot d type, aim dot d type. See the thing. So aim dot d type. Yes, d type. D type. Now see the output. Now next thing. Then aim dot item size. Aim dot item size. Now see the output. Yes. Aim dot item size. Series object has no output. Item size. Okay. Why? See. Where is the item size? This one. Okay. Print okay, just remove this one. Just remove this part. No issue. No issue. Okay, next part. M dot save. Okay. So here D dot save. N dot save. Now see the output. Okay. Clear? Clear everyone? So let me just check out the item. Means like M dot ND. Now see the output. So now this one is what? Dimension only. Clear? dot bytes. 24 bytes. Clear? Clear, everyone? Very good. So this is the things we have to just write all these things, right? Very good. So in next class, so I think in this class only, what you will just learn, you will learn how to change that index number. Index number means how can I just give the name? Yes, you can just give your name. You can just give the any integer. You can give the character also. Okay, you can also give the character also. And here we learn also series object attribute and how to access the data from this series with position also. Okay, position in the sense what? Index number. Okay, so then next point is what? Next point is like a we are retrieving the index array and data array of a series object. Then return the type d type and size of the type. Then yes, so then what? Item size. So it is not working, so I will just check it out. Okay, so we just learn all these things. Okay, how to find out the dimension only and all these things. So that's all. So from next onwards, so we will just learn the new things, right? Very good. Bye.